Welcome to Digital Purchase Order. This is a quick introduction to the bypass feature. The bypass feature is useful for high-level approvers who create their own purchase orders, invoices, or expenses. Instead of waiting for approvals from lower approval levels, the document can automatically be routed directly to your own approval level. To enable this feature, go to the Settings section and select the Users tab. Open your user profile and configure the bypass settings. If you are assigned to multiple approval levels, you can choose whether purchase orders, invoices, or expenses should bypass to your lowest or highest approval level. If you are assigned to only one approval level, simply enable the bypass option for the relevant document type. Let's look at an example using a purchase order. You have 4 approval levels and you are assigned to level 4. Normally, when you create a PO, it would go through all lower approval levels before reaching you. With the bypass feature enabled, the PO will automatically jump directly to your own approval level, making you the only approver required for this purchase order. If you have further questions, please send us an email at support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or give us a call at 1-888-3767-254. We can also arrange a demo appointment with you. Simply contact us via email and we will schedule a call at your earliest convenience.